हेलो एवरीवन। आज का टॉपिक है सेल्स एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मैनेजमेंट से मार्केट लॉजिस्टिक एंड सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट। दिस इज आवर सिक्स्थ चैप्टर, सेल्स एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मैनेजमेंट, मार्केट लॉजिस्टिक एंड सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट। In this, what is our learning objective? Principle of material management, logistic and supply chain management. Logistic interfere with the other functions, inventory management principle and systems, warehousing, management fundamentals, transport management practice, how IT enables the logistic function, understand about the performance measurement of the logistic function. Objective, because logistic and supply chain management सबसे important है हमारे marketing में, और supply chain management एक separate topic भी होता है कि कैसे from the manufacturer to the end customer सामान delivery होता है, how it will reach from manufacturer to the end consumer by using the supply chain management, how you are able to reduce the time and you are able to maximize your profit, and understand about the performance measurement of the logistic function. Material management. Material from the largest single cost item, it is most manufacturing companies need to be carefully managed. Material function include planning and control, purchasing and store, and inventory control. So management, what they will do, they will take care of your logistic and supply chain management. Logistic define. Logistic means what? Having the right thing at the right place at the right time. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट स्लोगन है, क्या हमें चाहिए? राइट थिंग एट द राइट प्लेस एट द राइट टाइम, दैट इज अ लॉजिस्टिक. So procurement and maintenance, distribution and replacement of personal and material, Weber dictionary is there, Webster's dictionary. And then science of planning, organizing and managing activity that provide goods or services. So that is logistics world 1997. So logistic का मतलब आपको समझ आ गया? जब हम बोलते हैं कि सामान सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट के थ्रू है और लॉजिस्टिक में है, तो लॉजिस्टिक का मतलब क्या है कि कोई भी सामान एक राइट समय में सही टाइम पे उसको रीच होना है. देन अगेन फंक्शन क्या है? वी नो दैट फॉर लॉजिस्टिक के लिए क्या फंक्शन है हमारा? प्लानिंग, प्रोक्योरमेंट. पहले प्लानिंग करेंगे, हमारा प्रोक्योरमेंट क्या है, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन क्या यूज कर रहे हैं, एंड सप्लाई एंड मेंटेनेंस. सो प्रोसेस है और रिक्वायरमेंट. फर्स्ट विल सी द रिक्वायरमेंट, what are the determination, acquisition, distribution and conservation. So it is business is what? Science of planning, design and support of business operation of procurement, purchasing, inventory, warehouse, distribution, transportation, customer support, financial and human resources. So what are the scopes of logistic? First, the main thing, choice of market, procurement, where is your plant, location layout, inventory management, how much material is there in the inventory, and location and management of warehouses, choice of carrier, mode of transport, packaging decision, then relevant all enterprises, manufacturing, government, institution and service organization. Component of log management, because हमारा जो इनपुट देते हैं उसके बाद वो प्रोसेस होता है, देन हमें आउटपुट मिलता है, करेक्ट? सो इनपुट में वॉट एवर द इनपुट लाइक नेचुरल रिसोर्स, लैंड, facilities, equipment, HR, finance, information technology. Then logistic activity, what is your customer service, demand forecasting, distribution, communication, inventory control, material handling, order processing, procurement, warehouse, packaging, return goods, scrap, traffic, warehouse, storage, transportation. These all things comes under logistic activities. Or what is my output? Marketing orientation, competitive advantages, time, place, your efficient move to the customer. So meaning is from the end user you have to reach that. So from the manufacturer to end user or end consumer, how it will reach. Then link and flows. जनरल मटेरियल फ्लो और सर्विस में क्या होगा? इंफॉर्मेशन फ्लो. इंफॉर्मेशन का वन वे टू टू वे. देन कस्टमर टू कस्टमर, कस्टमर, लैंड फॉर्म, lead form, supplier. So general outlay, whatever, and outbound is logistic will be there. Logistic and marketing. Interface on logistic and marketing means first what? Product. So design and pricing, customer service policy, sales forecast, order processing, inventory policy, location of warehouse, channel of distribution, dispatch planning, then transportation to reach product to consumer. So production want larger production run to minimize time spent on set of changes on the machines. So marketing want seller smaller run of variety of product. Order processing. Primary contact between the firm and its customer. Correct? Because that is a very important from the manufacturer to the customer. So getting the order, preparing the invoice, picking and packing of goods and dispatch. So quality, speed, accuracy of the order processing function determines the value of the logistic function. This is a very important part because order processing, because that is the only primary contact between the firm and customer. So you have to get the order, preparing the invoice, picking, packing, dispatch, quality checking, what the speed, accuracy, all that will be come under the order processing. Support record में what are the things will come? All information about the customer, yes, where you have to deliver. Item master, all the information about the goods by SKU, price master, how the dispatch and general data, ki customer quotation, customer sales history and sales open order. Benefit. Some of the benefit of a good processing systems are what? Order cycle time get reduced. Order execution accuracy is 100%. Timely invoice is preparing and accounting. Order review, we are taking time to time and follow up. Improve the customer service. Make the customer base. Material handling. Function of managing inventory along with storage and the transfer of information include your receiving, dispatch of good, order, picking, packing, what we had done in the processing, sorting, repacking and arrange the transport and load it of the good and courier vehicle. The value chain. Value chain, this is based on the Michael Porter. Michael Porter, what's the value chain here? Support. Here, what's the company's infrastructure, organization structure, people, method, system, technology, procurement. This is the margin part. So inbound logistic, then operation, outbound logistic, marketing and sales and service. So primary activity. So this value chain management is important. Logistic strategy. Corporate strategy. Corporate strategy define the business the company want to be a marketing strategy. Decide the product and market to be focused on distribution strategy. So decide how the company will reach its customer or market. So the distribution strategy include the physical distribution and channel management. Logistic strategy based on your market, process and channel. Because you are focusing your how customer requirement and across the business unit, what the process efficient manner, which channel customer, how you are delivering. So participate in the customer service delivery process. That is very important. That all the strategy you have to decide. Logistic plan outline. So internal analysis, current organization, HR, transportation, quality of service, quality of product, and how the relations with the internal user. External में your competitor, your suppliers, your trends, external environment, public, private, and contract warehouse, as well as carriage. Principle of logistic. Strategic and operational. Link of logistic to corporate strategy and the operational will be for financial performance. Organize comprehensively, this is optimum. And use of power information in strategic, but operationally they have to manage with all the details. They have to emphasize in the human resource in strategic, but operational leveraging logistic volume. And strategic may from the strategic alliance, and here it will be the measure the react the performance. Customer logistic focus forces the areas customer related service and operational related. Customers packaging, order, spare parts, service, demand forecasting, distribution communication, if they will return the goods for some defect, how the handling of the product will be there. Then operational related to plant, warehouse, procurement, inventory, material, salvage, all that operational cost that will come into the factory, traffic, transportation, warehouse. Logistic for rural. Rural means what? Business challenges because they have some limited thing. Because vast potential for business, but the collection and delivery point are too many, and transport is unviable. No return, and agriculture produce seasonal, bulky, occasionally standardized. So intermediaries in the various they have a major uh, element of the cost. And logistic and SCM, it is again supply chain management how it will work. They are more concentrated with the activity within the company: procurement, production, scheduling, dispatch, warehousing, and transportation. So supply chain management, SCM, extend the process of planning, procurement, production, and dispatches beyond the company boundaries to its supplier and customer. Supply chain management means begins for globalization of the marketplace, advantage of the technology, new technology come now, it's AI, increasing demand, informing customer base, purchasing decision on dimension of quality, price and time, like supply chain management or AI you are using, that we will get the shortest route, how from your warehouse it will rent to the end customer. If you have some broker or if you have some supply chain means you are a manufacturer, you give to the Amazon, then Amazon so how the delivery will happening, so they have to make a team. So that is there. So in then again, innovative supply chain to meet the customer driven challenges, to reduce the cost, improve the service level, and enhance the speed to the market. Supply chain integration means, yeah, just I told your supplier and the customer involvement, and how you will integrate, you will decide the policy, system, database, and strategies between the diverse trading partners. Supply chain integration means this is a huge chart, and here what shows how you will do. Material management is there, then demand to lead the time management is this side is manufacturing, remanufacturing, then again inventory management, purchasing power, supplier, customer analysis, fulfill your order. Okay, storage, transportation. So integrated, it is a supply chain management is about integrated supply chain management here. IT system, without support we can't do. IT support for us, supply chain management is important. Key supplier relationship with management, how the flow of material between the supplier and the firm. CRM, customer relationship management, to optimize the revenue and profit by the superior customer service. And electronic data interchange, to exchange of business information through a standard interface between the supplier and the firm. So there it again, IT system for SCM is barcode, radio frequency, data warehouse. Why carry inventory? Inventory is a very important thing where you, if you need production, you have inventory, where, when and where it is required, you pass to your new factory. So support production requirement, support operational requirement, maximize customer service to ensure the availability when needed, protect against uncertainty, hedge against marketplace uncertainty, and take advantage for the order quality discount. Function of inventory, it's a inventory serve as a buffer between the supply and demand. So customer demand and finished goods, the material requirement for an operation when and where. So it should be available. So output from the previous operation and the part and material to begin, and operational and suppliers of these materials. So factor which driven inventory, target service level parameters, lot size practices. You should know how much lot is, how many lot is required and how much material is required. Safety stock and safety time conventions, and volume discount and purchase agreements. Seasonal build up needs. See, seasonal build up need means what? If the seasonally we know this thing, like for example winter. In winter what is required, and in summer what is required. Summer AC if it is required, fridge is required. Yes, winter heater is required. So that time we know that this time this much is there, so we are keeping in inventory for the production, because we know it's a seasonal build-up need. Volume discount. Sometimes we are getting in inventory, if you're buying a lot of raw material, they'll give you some kind of discount while purchasing. So that time we are keeping in inventory. So these are the things based on the lot side, safety stock, volume discount, and seasonal build-up needs. Categorize of inventories, anticipation, then safety, depend on the lot size, and transportation, hedge, because when the prices are volatile, maintain, repair, and operation supply. So it will be the spare part, lubricant, we can buy and keep it. Type of inventory is raw material, work in progress, finished goods, maintenance in transit. So performance measure how to do. Inventory turns, annual cost of goods sold by average inventory, and date and day of sales means what? Inventory in hand divided by average daily sales. So type of inventory system, pure, production, production distribution, and type of classification. Because these are the accounts question. So if you're marketing, if you're preparing, you should know about this. Okay, for the type of inventory and what are the method. So ABC technique is there, most common. HML, high, medium, and low. FSND, then fast moving, slow moving, non-moving, dead, spare part. So these Z, vital, essential, desirable, very important method. And SOS, seasonal, off-seasonal, is there. So commodity. So this thing, the ABC inventory means, again we know that 20% item worth of 80% of value. For your reference only, I prepared this PPT, but you should know about the supply chain management, how you are able to use it. Inventory related cost is there. Then again, this is given the carrying cost and stock out, quality cost and other cost. Approaches controlling inventories: continuous, it is on-site supplier, off-site automated, supplier buyer cycle time reduction. And storage management objective: providing efficient service to user, reduce your cost, controlling inventory. So warehouse mein how the function is: material handling, customer service, information transfer, storage function. In storage, it is temporary and permanent. So um, receive goods, identify goods, sort good, dispatch, hold inventory, recall, and all that is there in the function. Purpose of warehouse? Purpose is very important. Why? Because it is to provide the desired level of customer service at a lowest possible total cost. So it is a logistic system, storage product, and it's a point of origin and point of consumption. The reason of warehouse: service related and cost related is there. Warehouse means your support manufacturing, mixed product for multiple facility for shipment to a single customer, break bulk, aggregate, through. And objective is distribution warehouse. Objective is to warehouse closest to the customer location. Yeah, that is important to service market better and minimize your cost if it is. So main objective is that your warehouse will be closest to your customer location always. And macro location strategy: market to positions, production and intermediaries. Distribution center: warehouse design, flow of goods, how it will be, avoid inventory carrying cost, centralized control and cost. If the market position means factor is there, warehouse located nearest to the final customer. So order cycle, transportation, sensitivity. What are the factor? Order size and level of customer offered. And production position: warehouse located to the closest facility, it should be there. And the factor again: raw material and number of product in the product mix, assortment of order by the customer. Intermediary position, midpoint, it should be like the final customer and the producer. Transportation, yeah, logistic function, because movement, if it is nearby, so it will be less time. So transportation provide a time and place utility. So role of transport is very important. Ki provide opportunity for the growth of under competitive condition, deeper penetration into the market. Wider distribution means greater demand. And the principle is continuous flow, standardization will be there. And criteria is transport planning criteria is environmental analysis. किसी पर carrier and government regulations, deciding the objective, selecting the mode, select the transport type within the mode, define function. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ट्रांसपोर्ट प्लानिंग में कि आप कैसे एनालाइज कराएंगे उसको, फिर आप कैसे डिसाइड करेंगे आपका ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है, कौन सा मोड है, विच ट्रांसपोर्ट यू आर गोइंग टू यूज, कौन सा ट्रांसपोर्ट आप यूज करेंगे. डिफाइन द फंक्शन ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट लाइक इवैल्यूएशन एंड कंट्रोल. कॉस्ट फैक्टर है, कितने पैसे लगेंगे, कैन बी द रिलेटेड टू द मार्केट, प्रोडक्ट रिलेटेड, मार्केट रिलेटेड. एंड 5 prominent mode: रेल, एयर, वाटर, पाइपलाइन, रोड. एंड 6th one is the ropeways. कस्टमर सर्विस फैक्टर: कंसिस्टेंसी एंड डिपेंडेंसी. एंड रिवर्स लॉजिस्टिक में क्या है, व्हाट इज द मूवमेंट ऑफ गुड्स फ्रॉम द मार्केट और कस्टमर back to the company if it is in the problem. So what is the need and supply obstacles. And advantage of rail ki how it will be efficiency of energy. Disadvantage, because small shipments or distance के लिए it will be. Road flexibility, less capital cost, fast turnaround. Disadvantage again, sustainability, कि whether the road condition is good or bad. Unsuitability for the for heavy loads. Unsuitability for the long distance. Air, faster mode, reduction in the cost. And water transport again, mass movement if it is there, so we have to use. Disadvantage, which is not quick transport, takes a lot of time. So certain thing we have to send by the waterways only. So pipeline again, reliable, that like low energy consumptions and liquid, and can transfer different train. So disadvantage, investment cost will be high. Ropeway, it's highly, and now it is started. So heavy investment is there and limited size and quality of. Key learning, we had learned about the support of the market service, production and marketing are the two internal customer and logistic. Logistic is a direct impact and financial of a company, and key important function is management, inventory management, warehouse and transportation. So inventory is a directly support customer service but also add to the cost and manage carefully. And warehousing, where it is placed, transportation, which one. Modern days is integrated with the system. See, what is the main thing in this? This is why it is very important, because this supply chain management is a very important topic in SDRL. sales and distribution management or sales and distribution retailing management. So refer this PPT for your exam point of view. For it is there in the MBA and MCOM. This separate paper also, and in SDMR paper also in third semester. And while seeing the video, please write if any query in the comment box. So thank you for watching my video.